Welcome back. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Seaview Gardens Primary on 3 and Sacred Heart on 7. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. The teams have already made their selections for each face-off. So let's begin with the face-off in mathematics between Cordelia Seymour from Seaview Gardens and Captain Jada Vernon from Sacred Hearts. Cordelia, what is the average of 95 and 75? Jada, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 85, sorry. Cordelia, what is 7% of $1,700? Would you like to try, Jada?
No, miss.
It's $119. Cordelia, what is 639 multiplied by 0.01? Jada, would you like to try?
No, miss.
6.39. Cordelia, a man worked from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. at a rate of $900 per hour. How much will he earn that day? Jada, would you like to try?
No, miss.
$7,200. And Cordelia, in a triangle which has an angle A equaling 44 degrees and angle B equals 57 degrees, what is the value of angle C? Would you like to try, Jada?
No, miss.
79 degrees. Your questions now, Jada. What is the average of 91 and 69?
$160?
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Cordelia?
No, thank you.
It's 80. Jada, what is 6% of $1,600?
$96?
Question is incomplete. Would you like to try, Cordelia?
Yes. 62%?
Incorrect. It's $96. Jada, what is 190 multiplied by 0.5? Would you like to try, Cordelia?
No, thank you.
95. Jada, a woman works 8 hours per day for 6 days in the week. If she is paid $5 per hour, what is her weekly pay? Would you like to try, Cordelia?
No, thank you.
$240. And Jada, in a triangle, if angle A equals 78 degrees and angle B equals 39 degrees, then what is the value of angle C? Would you like to try, Cordelia?
No, thank you.
It's 63 degrees. That's the end of the math face-off. Science is next with Jadon Jackson from Seaview Gardens and Kai O'Neill Mackenzie from Sacred Heart. Jadon, the enamel is the hard outer layer of which part of the body?
The teeth?
Correct. What is another name for the petiole of a plant? Would you like to try, Kai O'Neill?
No, miss.
The leaf stalk or the stalk? Jadon, the septum is found in which specific part of the body?
Between the nose.
Judges? Accepted. Nose or the nostrils. Jadon, which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Would you like to try, Kai O'Neill?
No, miss.
Barometer. Jadon, final question for you. Which part of a flower develops into a fruit?
The leaf.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Kai O'Neill?
No, miss.
The ovary. Your questions now, Kai O'Neill. What is the name of the outermost layer of the human skin? Would you like to try, Jadon?
Yes, miss. The dermis.
Incorrect. It's the epidermis. Kai O'Neill, what is the name of the green? Kai O'Neill, what is the name of the green outermost part of a flower? Would you like to try, Jadon?
Yes, miss. The chlorophyll.
Incorrect. It's the sepal. Kai O'Neill, what is the name of the blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart to the body?
Red blood vessels.
Incorrect. Would you like to try,
No,
Jadon?
thank you.
The arteries. Kai O'Neill, which instrument is used to measure rainfall? Would you like to try, Jadon?
No, thank you.
Rain gauge. And Kai O'Neill, which part of the flower is sticky to catch passing pollen grains? Would you like to try, Jadon?
No, thank you.
It's the stigma. That's the end of the science face-off. We move on to English language. And this is Trevor Brown from Seaview Gardens up against Jalissa McGee from Sacred Heart. Trevor, identify the possessive noun in the sentence. The toy store has a large stock of children's books. Would you like to try, Jalissa?
Yes, miss. Children's.
Correct. Trevor, what is meant by the expression bite the dust?
To feel something back.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jalissa?
No, miss.
Fall and die. Trevor, change this sentence to the present continuous tense. I will arrive on Saturday. Would you like to try, Jalissa?
Yes, miss. I am arriving on Saturday.
That's correct. Trevor, spell lively.
Livily.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jalissa?
Yes, miss. Lively.
Correct. And Trevor, your final question. Identify the adverb in the sentence. You are totally wrong.
Totally.
Correct. Jalissa, your questions. Identify the possessive pronoun in this sentence. This bicycle in the driveway is his.
His.
Correct. What is meant by the expression to rain cats and dogs?
Raining heavily.
Correct. Change this sentence to the past tense. The man is driving to the country.
The man was driving to the country.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Trevor?
The man will drive.
Incorrect. The man drove to the country. Jalissa, spell pleasure.
Pleasure.
Correct. And final question. Identify the adverb in the sentence. The rain is quite heavy.
Quite.
That's correct. The final face-off is in social studies. This is between Captain Makisha Talonge from Seaview Gardens and Neymar Thompson from Sacred Heart. Makisha, which natural disaster destroyed much of Port Royal in Jamaica in 1692?
A hurricane.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Neymar?
No, miss.
It's an earthquake. Makisha, Mercury and Mars are two of the 4 terrestrial planets. What are the other 2?
Earth, and Venus.
Correct. Which line of latitude measures 66.5 degrees south?
The Arctic Circle.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Neymar?
No, miss.
It's the Antarctic Circle. Makisha, what fruit do Jamaicans call breche? Would you like to try, Neymar?
No, miss.
It's breadfruit. And your final question, Makisha, what is the capital of Barbados?
Bridgetown.
Correct. Your questions now, Neymar. Which natural disaster caused widespread damage in Jamaica in 1988?
Hurricane?
Correct. Jupiter and Saturn are two of the 4 gas giant planets. What are the other 2? Would you like to try, Makisha?
Yes, thank you. Neptune and Uranus.
Correct. Neymar, which line of latitude measures 23.5 degrees north?
Tropic of Capricorn?
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Makisha?
Yes, thank you. Tropic of Cancer.
Correct. And Neymar, what meat do Jamaicans call Arnold? Would you like to try, Makisha?
No, thank you.
It's pork. Final question for you, Neymar. What is the capital of Antigua and Barbuda?
St. John's.
That is correct. And at the end of the face-off section, we have Seaview on 5 and Sacred Heart on 16. We'll go for a break. When we come back, it will be time for the final challenge. Please stay with us.